What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over these Cube vacuum storage bags. I do have a few bags left, but some of them are old. Some of them don't work no more. Like the mechanism for the vacuuming, like it's broke and all of that. They're old, you guys, very old. So right here we have a pack of 6. It says 6 right there. It says jumbo. I definitely wanted to get jumbo because we put our blankets away for the winter time. No, we put our blankets away for the summertime, and then we bring out our quilts, and then we put our quilts away for the winter time. And other things like coats, we take all our coats, we put them in the storage for the winter. So we just have more room in our closet. Don't know if anybody else do it, but we do it. So I know if you landed on this channel, then we are the same type of people. All right, anyways, everything should be good. This should be simple. It actually shows you right here on the front as well. Has a nice little picture on showing you. So what we are going to do is go upstairs to where all of our comforters are, and we are going to try to compact as much as we can. So we are here with the cube organizer, okay? Well, vacuum cube organizer, cube vacuum storage bags, whatever you want to call it. We are here with it, and we're going to put it to the test. It says 80% space. It says right there, free up 80% space. We already went through that. And right now we are going to try to free up 80% of our space. And we are going to do it in the most embarrassing part of the house, you guys, my closet. Well, this is the guest room closet. So we use the guest room as like a storage and stuff like that. So until a guest comes, and there you go. All right. Embarrassing, right? I know, embarrassing. So, like I said, we have, well, this is a quilt. So we use our quilts, but we do have comforters. We have the comforters with the fur on it. You know, love those comforters when it's winter time and all of that. But these bags are no good no more. So we will be getting rid of those bags, and we will be using these bags. So let's go ahead and check it out. As soon as we open the bag, right here we have our, this seems like a quick guide. Here goes the little, I call it squeezers, but if you put it in through the top, you can squeeze this and then zip it back up. It says, put your items inside the bag. Make sure that there is a couple of inches space from the edge between the side items and the zipper. But why does it say, it seems like it says enter from the side, but I think it says the top because it got an arrow going to the top part. So it's kind of confusing, but we're going to put it in the way that we usually put it in. All right. So this is the top. We're going to open the top. And then this is the bottom right here. So we're just going to put them in. These are some big comforters. All right. It's not like small comforters. These are queen size with fur. If you want to know where I got these from, I got them from Kohl's years ago, probably like 2 years ago, 3. Haven't bought a comforter in a while. These last pretty long. All right. Quick fold. Let's see about putting it in. And honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit that many comforters in. Quilts is another story. All right, it's already bulky, very bulky. So these other original bags that I have, they're bigger bags. And I should have got bigger bags. I might get some bigger bags. Oh, that's not bad. I might be able to fit 3. My wife made this thing, and I'm gonna tell y'all, it gets hot. All right. So my wife, she didn't really knit it, but she knitted it. It's hard to explain, but with this material, I know this is a review for the bag, but this material is kind of thick. You can get it from Joann's Fabric or Walmart. They sell this type of material, but yeah, she did this by hand, and it is heavy, really heavy. And you will not have no troubles in the winter time because that thing will keep you toasty. This thing is, these some thick comforters, you guys. Very thick. I folded it. I don't think I could fit 3. Not when it comes to this one. probably could fit my little black UGG one in there. All right, you guys. So since this is a little small little blanket, you guys, I think UGG make the best blankets in the world. You guys, I don't know which sheep that they cut from, but that sheep is a good sheep. Oh, this smells so good. All right, getting high on my own supply. All right, you guys. So I think that does it. Let's get that zipper thing. And if it's too big, I will just take it out and just use the two blankets. No problem. All right, what you want to do is get to the very corner and press, push down. Oh, do it again. Oh, I might have trouble, you guys. Come on. There we go. Make sure you squeeze tight. And now we're going to get with the fun part. We are going to go ahead and turn it on. Is this open? Let me see. Oh, I might have had it closed. Lefty. There we go. And then righty tighty. All right, you guys. So on here, left, you loosen it, and then air come in. Right, you tighten it so air don't come out. That's something else that's new to me. What do y'all think? Pretty cool. Now I can put it back and definitely have a lot more space. Actually, you could put it in the tote now. But it's good right there in the corner. And remember, those were some thick blankets. Now I'm about to give y'all some regular blankets. Pretty cool vacuum as well, you guys. I got this from Walmart, so it's very cheap. It was like $10. But yeah, this vacuum is very cheap. You gotta just put it on your bucket. There's no bag, so you have to make your own bag. And yeah, so we're gonna grab a couple of regular blankets, fold them up, and put them in our new bagging system. The way that photo is correct. Put 4 blankets in. When you use the zipper, go to the far corner, squeeze, make sure you go left to loosen this. So now it's time for the magic show. All right, you guys, righty tighty. Once it don't collapse no more, that's it. You can't collapse it no more, you guys. You can try to force it if you want to, but you'll just be sitting here looking at air. We have this one she made, and then we have the UGG one that I could put in real quick. All right, you guys, this is probably the best thing. So this is very creative what she did. This thing will keep you warm, and you see how big it folds. This thing is heavy. I don't know, you guys. I might be reaching on this one. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. What magic can we work? Hopefully. This is a workout, you guys. Getting all your blankets and stuff organized. Especially if you got a lot of blankets. Oh, smash it. Both of my favorite blankets for the winter time. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work, you guys. Whew, and it's getting hot. Turn the ceiling fan on. All right. Gonna zip it up. Only could fit 2 of these big ones. Remember, the one on the bottom is custom, so don't take it too serious. Uh-oh. Air is coming out. There we go. I didn't have it zipping up good enough. Boom. Wow. 80% space saved, you guys. I got 1, 2, 3, 3 more blankets, and that's it. So look at that. How y'all like that? 1, 2, 3 all together. I think I forgot how many blankets we did. I think 3. One of them is 4 blankets, I believe. So let's just say what is 3, 4, and then 2. So there you go. All right. And I'm ready to do the other one. And when I do the other one, I could just put it right there on top. So everything could just be uniformed on the right side. And you can't see it, but wow, major difference. Major difference. Definitely a good product to have if you store your blankets away. All right, you guys, and here you go. Definitely a difference from the beginning of the video. Well, the beginning of the closet cleaning video. So it's definitely a big difference, as you can see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can fit one more right there. And it's good, you guys. I don't know if that 80% means save 80% of room in your closet or save 80% of room as far as bagging goes, but I definitely have 80% of closet space left compared to what y'all seen. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. The link for this product will be in the description below. Click on the link. Definitely get yourself a pack of these. If you need a bigger pack, get a bigger pack. I wish I would have got a bigger pack, but I think this pack was good enough for the blankets that I have. And we plan on getting rid of some blankets anyway. So when it's time for winter time to come, we will donate and we will just get another pair of blankets. So that will be it, you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.